Hey guys, it's Hooey. And today, well, I wanted to call today because, it's 69 degrees out right now. But anyway, I'm just here, chilling, relaxing. I'm trying to make you jealous, okay? Anyway. I got here my, pink lemonade, my bouncy ball, and my blizzard. Well, my blizzard's frozen with the spoon inside, but who cares? Now, this is a taste test video, because I haven't really tasted this. I just froze this, and, this is a taste test. First, I'm gonna taste the pink lemonade. Let's see. I'd say pretty good. Tastes a little bland, though. Now I'm gonna taste my blizzard. Let's see. Oh, goodness me. Just comes out sticking. Now, folks, that just tastes weird. Okay. Now, for the last thing, but not least, the rubber bouncy ball. And now, I know what you would say. You would say, Hooey, how could you eat an orange bouncy ball? Well, this is how I eat it. So, bouncy ball. Oh, whoops. I don't know if you can hear or not, but there's squeaky noises inside my mouth. It's such a disgrace to eat this rubber bouncy ball. I mean, who would want to eat it anymore? It tastes bad. So, this is my taste test. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Bye!